Still paying attention in there? Well, maybe send cutworm out to your house now. He'll straighten you up if he has to. I don't want to make him do that. He's got more important things to do. Got one of them pretty red Mustangs to work on. Get him. So I'm going to take this back around yonder after I beat the slag off of it and put it up, and then we got a little fire going over here. Beat the slag off of it and put it back up, and then do the other one. Slag. I got a better slag hammer. Accidental slag hammer. Welders do this because they're breaking the slag off. Slag is stuff that won't burn. It surrounds the welding rod, keeps it from burning too fast. When it melts, it forms. But it's not, it doesn't have any strength. It's just something that's a leftover bit that's still on there from the process. That's why you see people that arc weld, or the people that wire weld without gas. Have to knock the slag off. You don't have to, but it's better. That way you can see your real weld underneath. Not that it matters. Not that it matters to me, because my welds are ugly. I don't want to see them most of the time. But that's just a whole other thing. We won't get into that. Bring it back around, put a few more welds on the sidebars over there. By the way, I seen a picture of Resto Dan changing the chunk in his rear end in his 55 Chevy. Putting higher gear in there so he can run it on the interstate at a lower RPM. I kind of like to do something like that with that Rambler. Rambler has a 3... What's it got? 307? I think it's got a 307 rear end. I wouldn't mind having something a bit higher. Although it's a pretty good basic rear end, it gives it a pretty good punch. Yeah, you know, RPMing it up, but the engine rotations aren't too high when you're going down the road and driving speeds. But sometimes I think I'd like to. Sometimes I think I'd like to do a lot of things, but changing the chunk in that, changing the gears in that rear end would be good. Sometimes I think I want to put a 5-speed with an overdrive in it, straight shift, but that's a whole other piece of work right there that I fantasize about, and I probably want to get around to. There's more than I want to get to in this lifetime. But what's up, oh, there's all right. So don't mind me chitter chattering while I work here. It's the way I am. It's what I do. I deal with it. Deal with it.